Hey everyone, so I have my FL5 Type R here, and as you can see, this is the engine bay, and the intake is here, the intake box is here, intake tube is here, and changing out the air filter in this could not be easier. So, of course, there's no PRL intake or anything for this yet, so to get the most horsepower I could, I decided to just put a K&N drop-in filter in. And there is no specifically designed K&N drop-in filter for this car yet, but they do have one that fits, so I'll have a link below to that. And you can buy that if you want to put it in your Type R until the PRL intake or other intakes come out for this car. So in order to change the air filter, you're first going to have to just take this clip out. You just press it and it pops out. Then you're going to have to push this clip forward and just lift this up. Comes right out. There is another one here, and you'll push that and just pop it up, and then you can move this out of the way. Once that's disconnected and off, you'll see two clips in the back. There's one clip here, and then one clip on the side. You're gonna take both of them off. And then there's one little thing that you need to do to make it a little easier. You'll see here, there's two little rubber grommets. One there, and one right there. So you just need to pry these off, and this will allow you to remove the intake box. So once those grommets are out, as you can see, you will be able to tilt up the box and get access to the air filter. And you'll see the K&N that's in there. Now, when you're putting it back, there are two little areas where the intake box is going to go into on each side. So you will need to make sure you line those up so the box sits flush and you can put the clips back. So once you push the clips back up on the back and on the side, all you have to do is re-plug in the sensor and make sure that they're clipped back on the sides of the box.